That's gotta be Pan Am.
Yeah,
It's Pan Am. Son of a bitch, look at that. Caught it.
Yeah, there's an ant standing right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down. 74, 87, and there's Pan Am in the middle. Oh boy, 3401. I ain't got my boots on, but okay, family, let's do this. Oh, that's nice. $78.87 the first diesel. 3401. I can't get out the third diesel though, but someone in the Pan Am section will let me know what it is. There they are, boys. First time I've caught them over here. Good to know. $34.01 sounds nice. It looks like 777. That third diesel looks like 777. Actually, that's that third diesel. That's 7627. Is that or a 4? I can't make it out, but it's in that bracket area. Sun glare, that sucks. But the navy and blue sounds really good. Pan Am. Yeah, he's releasing those cars. Actually, as I get clear to it, it looks like 7627 is that third diesel, that first diesel. First time I've seen 3401. She's a beauty. Okay, I'm good here. Peace out, family.